Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today. Catching up, Notes from the Heart, December 2024, paper pumpkin. So I just wanted to get it done. Thank you. There's lots of, there's good sentiments and best of luck. Happy birthday, just a note. Thank you, congrats. Hello, get well soon. Oh, Blackberry Bliss is the color. Let me get that. So I went and got Blackberry Bliss. And then let's see what we got here. Oh, wow, I like it. I'm glad I chose to do it. You know, catch up. Yeah, you guys. I don't know how I missed this one earlier. It's a holiday season, that's why. You know how it gets during the holidays. Yeah, here we go. Oh, I like it. Oh, there's some dies there. I don't think I've seen it. It's probably on the online exclusive. Okay, let's get started, you guys. I'm gonna already put this to the first card. And then they give this. This is all the stamps. Oh, I love those sentiments. Then here we go. We got some gold dots and some dimensionals. Sticky strip. Here's the envelopes. Wonder where we're gonna get. I thought that was an envelope. See? This one here tells us, part of this instruction tells us what we use on which card. This one here on the second card and here on the third card. But here's the instruction for the first card. But let's go ahead and get our pieces. We'll do one together, and then off screen when I'm done, I always put the rest together. And you know what, guys? It looks like it's all the same card base. So I may just need 3 of that. Then I'll punch all of these out. I'm glad that I can take them all out at the same time. Gotta love that. Easy to just rip them out of here. And they got that gold. Can you see that? The gold on there. Love it. This is cute. Let's not forget the little pieces. So don't forget the little pieces when you get your paper pumpkin. Yet we still be gentle because we don't want to break these. Love it. And I think these are stickers. Yeah. Stickers. Oh, and look at this. Oh, love this. Vellum die cuts. I think they're all the same. I love it. Yeah, they're all the same. Just takes a few minutes to take them all apart. Okay, let's see what it tells us to do. So we need happy birthday. I like that. I like birthday cards. It's always good to have birthday cards in stock. Getting a block. Too small. Okay, and I'll fold these card bases with my bone folder. Crease the fold line. Okay, and then it's telling me happy birthday on the oval. Then I'll put on the pink the sticky strip. And I don't know if you can see that, but a vellum leaves goes into the back of it, and I'm going to use a sticky strip to stick it down. So it's this pink one, then one vellum right in the back of it, so that it's sticking out a little on the side and on the top. Use a sticky strip to hold them in place. And there's an opening right there, so I'll go below it. I'll rip that right there. There we go. And then I have another piece going down this side. Just like this. Double duty. Yeah, so the, oh, I hope I was in screen there. The vellum is now stuck down because the sticky strip is holding it in place. But you can't see it on that side. See that? Love it, love it. Grab our oval here. I'm gonna stamp them all because I'm gonna do the other cards after we're done. Opening up our Blackberry Bliss. Gotta love that color. Center on the oval. Love it. Don't you love it? Oh, love it. One more. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so this one here will go this way. And I guess I'm just putting it on here. And I don't think you can see it, but there's a little bit of yellow something on there. There is a design on there, or a print. Taking off the backing for the sticky strip. And I'll place it straight down. This will have some dimensionals, so let's get dimensionals out. Three. Oh, my daughter finished a workout. And it goes right here. And some of this. me get a, I was gonna use my fingernails, but take your pick tool. Don't have fingernails. Oh gosh, you guys. There you guys. How do you like that? Love it. I love it. Okay, next one. This one here is just a note. Just a note. Just a note goes on the circle. What? There's tons of it. Oh, I missed an old one too. Oh, that one is a little low. There we go. Goes with this one. And this one is the same. It has one of the vellum pieces in the back of it. Sticking up just a little bit. Let's see. And the sticky strip is going straight up this way. Perfect. Oh, maybe too big because they had another sticky strip going across this way, but I'll change it a little bit. Take off the backing. I made the sticky strip a little too long in the middle. It's sticking out a little, so I'll just fold it up. Oh, was I on screen there? Geez, sorry guys. Here we go. And then just a note. Gets 3-dimensional. And off to the side here. Perfect. And then some embellishment. There we go. And the last card is a congrats. Getting a block. For the congrats. again, where did I grab that? Let's go and do this first. And put this up here. What's helping me know where to put the vellum leaves is I'm looking at the stems on where they go. That's what's helping me decide where to put them. And then of course I'm always making this too long, so now I'm not going to. I'll just make it just right. Because I can always add more if I need to. That one was a little long, so I'm going to push it up. And then I'll take this one off. Really sticky because it's sticky strip. So then again, looking where the stems are. I don't know if you can see it here in this picture. And then the rest will fall in place. Just like that. And then it does tell me where and how many dimensionals I need. So I'll put 3. Right here. Then our embellishment. And there we have it, guys. How do you like that? Oh my gosh, I love this paper pumpkin. I'm glad we did a catch up today on it. Yeah, thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my website. The link is in the description of this video. To join Paper Pumpkin, I've also left a link in the description of this video if you'd like to join Paper Pumpkin. And don't forget, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!